Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop. It's mid-December and we're having a heat wave today of almost 40 degrees, so I thought I'd come in here today, start wrapping stuff up, putting stuff away, winterizing the place, locking it up for the winter, beefing up security since I won't be in here. Just to give you a review of projects that we're going to be doing next year, here's the list. And that's just a couple of them. We're going to do a lot of other stuff. We're doing some lumber storage. Right over here, we're stockpiling lumber, getting ready for finish some projects I haven't even shown you yet. Over the side here, we got the string set stocked away and going to actually permanently installing that next year. Going to be making some jigs, going to be making some new tools, going to review some tools that we got. Lots of other things. Still have quite a few projects on our webpage at moosesworkshop.com, but for the main part, it's getting too cold to really videotape anything out here. I don't know if you can see my breath, and this is the warmest it's going to get today. Check out our website. Our Facebook page is also Moose's Workshop, and we'll see you in the new year. Thanks.